Hi everyone. Purpose of this video is to get you going on Khan Academy because we are going to be using Khan Academy to get practice and then get extra help if we need it. That's why I like it so much. So first things first, go to www.khanacademy.org. That automatically goes in mine because I go there a lot. Your view when you get on will be different than this because this is my teacher view that's about to pop up. So you won't have to do this, but I'm going to switch over and go to the learner view. This is more like what you'll see. Now, if you have more than one class that uses Khan Academy, or maybe you had a class last year that used Khan Academy that didn't get deleted or something like that, you might over here have more than one bell. I'm in all of my geometry classes, so I have 8 classes over here. You won't have that issue. You'll have one geometry course over there. Find the geometry course, whatever bell it is, and then click on assignments, and this will pop up. It might have been there anyway if this was your only Khan Academy class, but worst case scenario, you come over here and you click on it. If you scroll down, you might see other options over here as well, such as mastery of things and stuff. We're looking for bell whatever assignments. That's what we're looking for. Your first set of things, there are 3 of them. The first 2 are problem sets where you're going to work your way through and so forth. I'll show you those in a second. The second one, or the third one, the name sounds scary because it says quiz 1. We're not using it as a quiz. We're using it as a self-evaluation. So yes, I want you to do it, but no, it does not get recorded in the grade book for whatever you got. My basic rule is all of these little blue start things should turn into percentages 70% or higher. I'm not expecting perfection. We all make mistakes, and I don't want you to get frustrated chasing perfection. But what I do want is good practice that gets you to at least a level where you're pretty good doing things. Maybe before a quiz or test, you go back and you redo some things. That's entirely up to you. Speaking of redoing things, while I'm here, notice that there's a past tab. If you click on that, assignments that are past their due date will show up. And so that's a good way to go back and review things. Anyway, we're on this active tab. These are active assignments. I click the first one. It pops up like this. Let me move my little self here. And I click on Let's Go. Answer the questions. If you use a hint, it's not going to count the question right for you because you didn't necessarily know how to do it. So it knows that you need some extra practice. So what I always encourage is try the question, watch a video if you need to. That won't count against you. If you get it right, great. If you get it wrong, then look at the hints to see what you did wrong. Learn from those mistakes, because after you get a question wrong, there's no harm in looking at the hints. So you work your way through, you do the problems. It varies by section how many there are, and then you get your score. Like I said, our goal is to turn these blue start buttons into scores 70% or higher. By the way, I almost forgot something, and I want to make sure I cover it. When you go on to Khan Academy, look up here, make a habit of looking and seeing your name. I mean, you see your assignments here, but in the case that maybe you have a sibling doing something on here or something like that, and you're sharing a computer, you want to be the one logged in and getting credit for that work. Because my short answer is, if you're not logged in, no, it doesn't count, and yes, you need to do it again. So get in the habit of making sure that's there. If you're the only one using your device, it shouldn't be an issue. So hopefully that kind of gets you a little bit of information, enough to get you started on Khan Academy. If at any time you have questions, message me through PLP. Let's try to kind of make that our way of communication. Bye for now.